Okay. What is your name? What is your name?
My name is S. Rosario.
Okay. Oh, you look teacher. Again, look sa eyes ko. What is your name?
My name is Rosario.
Okay. And how old are you?
Wait. Second Rocky is Rosario.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, good job. Oh, high five. Galing. Very good. Are you a boy? What is your gender? Are you a boy or a girl? What is your gender?
I am boy.
Okay, very good. Again, what is your gender?
I am boy.
Okay, good job.